Kapoor. Today I'm going to make some vanilla cupcakes and chocolate dry fruit muffins. First of all, we'll need 2 bowls. We'll sieve the dry ingredients in this bowl and we'll mix the wet ingredients in this bowl. Now we're going to sieve our dry ingredients. 1½ cup of all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to sieve 1½ cup of all-purpose flour. Now we're going to add 3/4 cup of custard sugar. Let's sieve custard sugar. When we sieve it nicely, our cupcakes will be more fluffy and airy. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Next, we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Now we're going to mix everything together. We're almost done with our dry ingredients. Next, we'll move to our wet ingredients. Let's start with our wet ingredients. 1/2 cup of oil goes in the bowl. 1/3 cup of milk. 1/4 cup of curd. Now we will mix them all together. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Vinegar in the bowl and some vanilla in the bowl. Now we will mix it all together. After mixing, we will mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Now we will add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and we will mix bit by bit. We should always mix it in one direction and avoid making lumps. Now my batter is done and my oven is getting preheated on 350 degrees. Now we will pour the batter in our cupcake liners. Now we'll top the middle row with some chocolate chips and sliced almonds. Now let's put them in the oven. Now we'll bake our muffins for 10 to 15 minutes. While they're baking, we'll make some icing. Our cupcakes are done. Now let's take them out of the oven. Now we'll let them cool and then we'll do the icing. Now our muffins are ready. Let's do some icing on our cupcakes. hope you enjoy my cupcakes and muffins. Bye!